Welcome back. Karnataka will go to polls in two phases on 26th April and 7th May, with the BJP in alliance with JDS, this time taking on the Congress, which won a handsome win in the last year's assembly polls. Just days before polling, the main poll issue has become the allegations of appeasement being levelled at the Congress-run state government. The last few weeks, the BJP hauled Congress over pro-Pak chants in the Vedant Sauda, the Rameshwaram cafe blast, and the thrashing of the men who chanted Jai Shri Ram. BJP alleges it is the Congress appeasement that is emboldening such elements. And now there has been another shocking development. The daughter of a Congress corporator from Hubli, Dharwad, Niranjan Hiremat, Neha Hiremat, was murdered. She was laid to rest amidst massive protests in Hubli. Protesters were also seen carrying banners and placards chanting slogans condemning the heinous crime and calling for stringent action against the perpetrator. On Friday, the victim was murdered in her own college in broad daylight in an incident that was caught on the college's CCTV. Neha's alleged killer Fayaz purportedly fled the scene of the crime but was caught just in an hour. He also sustained injury, because of which he was taken to the hospital. A number of key details have come to fore about the motive of the murder. As per what Fayaz has allegedly told the police, he and Neha were in a relationship. However, Fayaz claims Neha recently began avoiding him, which led him to getting angry, and in a fit of rage, he stabbed her to death. The police has also allegedly ascertained that Neha had passed her course while Fayaz had failed, and since then she began to distance herself from him. Crucially, the father of the victim, who is himself a Congress corporator, has said this was love jihad and there is no end to such cases. He also demanded Bar Association that the accused should not be provided with lawyers, bail plea, and in fact he should be given a death sentence.
ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಐತಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರ ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಂತ ನನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅನೇಕ ಕಡೆ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆದವರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ. ಈ ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ವಿಸ್ತಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೂ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ. ಒಬ್ಬಾಕೆ ಮಗಳು, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗ, ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನನಗೆ 25 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದವನ. ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗಿಂತ ದುಃಖ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಡ್ಲಕ್ಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ, ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಂದ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾಳ, ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾರು ಬಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸ್.
Well, earlier the BJP, ABVP and right-wing groups protested alleging love jihad, and they accused the Congress-led Karnataka government of emboldening such elements. But the Congress leadership is in denial mode. Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister say the state's law and order is the best.
ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನೀತಿಯ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಜನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ನೇ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ನೀತಿಯ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಸಮಾಜಘಾತಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಭಯ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮುಂದುವರೆದರೆ ಜನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಗೆ ಇಳಿತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ.
ನೋಡಿ, ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಏನಿದೆ, ಆ ಕಾನೂನು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿರ್ದಾಕ್ಷಿಣ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಒಂದೇ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮಾರು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಬಿಹಾರ,
ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಕೆಲವು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಸ್.
ये लड़की निर्दोष थी. ये लड़की पढ़ाई करती थी. उसको वो लड़का ने, माइनॉरिटी लड़का ने लव जिहाद में फंसाना चाहते थे. वो नहीं सुनी. इसके लिए उसका कारण कॉलेज का कैंपस का अंदर उसको मर्डर किया ना. ये लॉ एंड ऑर्डर फेल्यूर है. बहुत महीने से हम बोल रहे हैं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कर्नाटक में ठीक नहीं है.
ಯಾವುದು ಮರಣಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅವು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ಕಾರಣಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
War of word is only escalating between Congress and BJP. Saffron Party attacked Karnataka government claiming love jihad. Congress claims it doesn't seem to be a case of love jihad and the two were in a mutual relationship.
When we are talking about the Nari Suraksha, what happened yesterday? The brutal murder case happened. What is your comment on this?
See, there's a police is there. They will do the investigation. Whoever be the culprit, whoever guilty, we'll see that they'll be punished through the law.
ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾಳೋ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವ ಲವ್ ಜಿಹಾದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
Of the country, but instead of coming down hard on the kind of mindset behind this murder, on the kind of crimes that are taking place against women, you see the Congress government is trying to give cover fire. The Chief Minister and the Home Minister both are giving a clean check to the entire mindset, even though the father of the victim, Congress leader, is saying something else. He is calling it a clear-cut case of how radicalization is affecting this kind of cases. But Congress is defending radicalized mindset, and it has always done this. It did it during Kukar blast, it did it during Rameshwaram blast. 8 gruesome murders have taken place in last 24 to 36 hours in Karnataka.
Deepak is joining us with more details. Deepak, war of words only intensifying. Congress claims that the victim and the perpetrator were in a mutual relationship. Father says this is love jihad, and Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, backs what the father is claiming and is gunning for the state government.
Well, at this point in time, of course, the task for the police is to try to get to the root of the matter. They are investigating all angles. The accused, of course, has been already arrested. They've taken a statement at this point in time, probably to go through evidence and various other aspects to look into whether there is more to the crime than what meets the eye will be, of course, absolutely important right now. And as we look at the case from various perspectives, like you mentioned, of course, the father himself at this point in time has alleged that this is a case of love jihad. On the other hand, while the Home Minister and the Chief Minister has spoken along with the police, they have maintained that this is a case where it's a personal issue, and as of now, there is no concern as far as law and order is concerned, and it is being dealt with and investigated from all perspectives as far as the police is concerned. Is what the Home Minister continues to maintain.
All right, Deepak, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus technology से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.